Welcome to Web Success. Are you looking for the best free mobile video editing apps in 2024? Whether you're editing for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you don't need a PC to create amazing content. In this video, I'll share the top 5 free mobile video editing apps perfect for beginners. Plus, I'll introduce a special tool, Pictory.ai, that uses AI to help you create videos effortlessly. Stay tuned. App 1. CapCut. First on the list is CapCut. This app is a favorite among creators for its user-friendly interface and advanced features like text animations, transitions, and background removal. CapCut is free, supports 4K video editing, and works perfectly for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. With features like auto captions and speed ramping, you can create professional edits in no time. App 2. VN Video Editor. Next, we have VN Video Editor. If you're looking for a powerful editor without a learning curve, VN is your best bet. It offers multi-layer editing, advanced transitions, text animations, and more. The app also provides a wide range of export options, making it great for all social media platforms. Before we move on, let me introduce Pictory.ai. This AI-powered tool is perfect for anyone who wants to create engaging videos quickly and effortlessly. Pictory.ai transforms text into professional-looking videos in minutes. It's ideal for creating YouTube videos, social media ads, or presentations, no technical skills required. If you're pressed for time or need high-quality results, check out Pictory.ai. The link to try it out is in the description below. App 3. InShot. Third on the list is InShot. This app is perfect for quick edits and social media content. With features like text overlays, stickers, transitions, and background music, InShot is a must-have for beginners. It also allows you to adjust aspect ratios for platforms like Instagram and YouTube. App 4. KineMaster. Next up, we have KineMaster. This app is slightly more advanced but still beginner-friendly. KineMaster offers precision editing with features like multi-layer editing, blending modes, and advanced effects. You can create cinematic videos directly from your phone. While some features are premium, the free version is packed with tools to help you create amazing content. App 5. Filmora Go. Finally, we have Filmora Go. This app combines simplicity with powerful editing features like templates, text effects, and royalty-free music. It's perfect for beginners who want high-quality edits without a steep learning curve. You can export videos without a watermark in the free version. So, those are the top 5 free mobile video editing apps for beginners in 2024. From CapCut to Filmora Go, these apps make it easier than ever to create professional-looking videos straight from your phone. And don't forget to check out Pictory.ai. It's the perfect tool for creating videos quickly and efficiently using AI. The link to explore Pictory.ai is in the description below. Which app are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. See you in the next video.